You gonna talk to me? You gonna let me talk, or you just gonna interrupt me the entire time? So do you want to let me talk or not?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
On May 10, 2019, Brittany was driving east on Malvern Road in Garland, Arkansas, with her husband, Charles. In front of them was a patrol vehicle from the Arkansas State Police, driven by Officer Ryan Wingo. According to the accident report, Officer Wingo observed a vehicle traveling westbound at a high rate of speed. He immediately made a U-turn to pursue the speeding vehicle. However, what the report failed to mention is that Officer Wingo made the U-turn without activating his lights or siren, a violation of safety protocol. He turned from the left travel lane instead of using the designated center turn lane, causing traffic disruption. Several vehicles, including the one driven by Charles and Brittany, were forced to brake suddenly. In response to the dangerous situation, Charles honked his horn as a warning, prompting Officer Wingo to abandon the pursuit of the speeding vehicle. However, Officer Wingo then activated his lights and siren and made a second U-turn, this time to pursue Charles and Brittany for honking at him. As the patrol car approached, Charles and another vehicle behind him pulled over to the right and slowed down as required by law. Despite this, Wingo failed to brake in time, his brakes locked, and he crashed into the rear of Charles and Brittany's vehicle. Both parties then pulled into a nearby parking lot. Their Officer Wingo requested identification from Charles and Brittany. Charles objected, stating that Brittany was only a passenger and not required to provide her information. He also requested to speak directly with Wingo's supervisor to address the accident caused by the officer. The argument escalated and tense words were exchanged. Instead of waiting for his supervisor to arrive and handle the situation according to protocol, Officer Wingo unilaterally opened the car door and forcibly pulled Charles out. At that moment, Brittany began recording the incident.
Stand up. Stand up. I'm fine.
This is f***ing ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Ma'am, there was no need for cussing me out. Until he can calm down and act like an adult,
Listen,
send back the car.
let me explain to you. My husband has severe PTSD. Severe. He's a 100% disabled veteran. And he's fucking, that's why I'm here.
You gonna talk to me? You gonna let me talk, or you just gonna interrupt me the entire time, ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Until he can calm down and act like a human being and stop cussing me out for no reason. So I'm trying to explain to him what happened. But he doesn't want to let me talk, okay? So do you want to let me talk or not?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. Now,